Welcome to Bitcoin News today on the 14th of August 2018. This is an episode that comes on a day where the New York Times have declared Bitcoin dead for the 300th time, according to the Bitcoin Obituaries website. So I'm not going to read you this really long article, it's really boring, by a guy called Paul Krugman, but you can check that out. He's basically a crypto skeptic who admits that he could be wrong. So let's close that down and take a look at the Bitcoin market. The market cap is currently 105 billion US dollars. Volume in the past 24 hours was 5.47 billion dollars. And circulating supply is currently 17,209,137 Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is very high at the moment, 54.5% dominance, which means that Bitcoin is very strong at the moment compared to other altcoins. As you can see, since April the 30th, that dominance has been going up. And looking at the year-to-date graph, the Bitcoin dominance is at an all-time high. Other altcoins are losing, they're basically losing it quite rapidly. So it suggests that people are switching from these altcoins into Bitcoin, as I have mentioned on previous videos. So let's take a look at the recent price action. And as you can see, actually we'll zoom out on the year-to-date view. As you probably know, the Bitcoin price did drop from the all-time high of around about $17,000, and we have seen this correction. Now I've identified some price channels that the price seems to be moving through since the 18th of February. We have seen highs reducing on the daily graph, and we have seen lower lows each time as well following this channel. However, recently the price seems to have formed a different pattern, but I am not absolutely sure about this. The price could drop below, and we have seen this wick here go below the line that I previously drew, which was just based on these 2 points here. The wicks of these candles formed this bottom line, and these wicks formed a top line, which we did bounce off at, and we actually bounced off this corner, which is the convergence of these two resistance lines. So where will the support be? How low could the Bitcoin price drop? It is very low at the moment, and we are in a region where it could be a good opportunity to buy, because we have seen low RSIs, and there was a spike on the 8th of August in terms of volume. So that could indicate that we did reach a low around about there. So we've gone slightly lower more recently. Will the price break down? I'm not absolutely sure about that. It would be a good opportunity, a good idea to wait and see, in my opinion, but definitely in the region of a good opportunity to buy, in my opinion, because let's zoom back out. When the price does bounce, and it could bounce, let me just draw on what I'm trying to say. It could go down to here and then bounce upwards like so. Could do this pattern, or we could see a breakout. Now, if it is a breakout to the downside, I'd say that's unlikely that we would break through that line. Then who knows where the price will go next, but I would say that is highly unlikely. It's more likely that we'll either see a bounce very soon towards this line here, which would give us a price between 74.91 and 66.76 for a bounce, or later on, actually on the around about the 22nd of September, if the price follows that trajectory, we'll be in the region of $72.48. So on to some news. Now you will know that the CBOE is facing a moving finish line in the race for the first Bitcoin ETF, which we were expecting on the 10th of August. However, the date has been pushed back now. But there is the CBO ETF, and there are many others as well that are all trying to get approval from the SEC. The SEC, as I mentioned in other videos, is hesitant to approve it without sufficient liquidity in the underlying futures. Let's go back to this chart, because let's just look at the Bitcoin USD futures. So we currently have gaps in the chart, and this would be where trading closed here and reopened here, and there was a bit of a gap in the chart also here and here. So these gaps often tend to get filled very quickly, so we can expect a bounce upwards to 6785, up to 6833, and between 7145 and about 7275 in the near future. So that is more good news for people watching this video who are looking for a increase in price. And you can see how these gaps do get filled. For example, here there was a gap, it got filled here. There was a gap down there which just got filled now actually. That gap there got filled here. So hopefully you see what I mean by that. We do have gaps here and here, so the price will no doubt go up to at least 7294 in the near future. And what could send the price upwards in terms of news? It could very well be this bullish news about BACKT, BAKKT. This venture could make Bitcoin as mainstream as Starbucks. So this is what Bitcoin hodlers have been waiting for absolutely years. So good article here on Forbes. This article is going mainstream, and it's been trending as well today on Twitter. So some very good news there. They are involved with Microsoft and Starbucks, and very bullish news for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin may be coming to a coffee shop near you very soon. Now I would like to give you a special offer for watching this video. You can get £7 or $10 worth of Bitcoin free from Coinbase. Just click the link in the video description. And if you'd like to learn how to mine Bitcoin using your laptop, which could be very profitable in the coming years as the Bitcoin price increases, definitely check out Honey Miner. It's a really simple way to make money by mining crypto on your computer. Again, click the link in the video description and you're going to help to keep my videos ad-free. So I hope you found this interesting. Please do let me know what you think in the comments, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And check out this video that I know you will love.